Hi, I'm Lee, and we're going to make a 57 T-bird with Hawaii license plates. So to start off, our ingredients are vodka, Grand Marnier, and Di Serono, or Amaretto. And of course, you're going to need pineapple and a shaker. So you're going to start with your rocks glass. Fill her up. Get our shaker. Fill that up with some ice. Now, these are all 1 ounces, so this is going to end up being a 3-ounce drink. Yeah. So 1 ounce of vodka. 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. 1 ounce of the Amaretto. I know, I was amazing with that. But you're wondering where I learned that. And finally, a dash of pineapple. That's more like a 10 dashes, but that's okay. You know what I meant. Get it on there tight. Shake it up. I always feel like giggling every time I start shaking, so I can tell things are moving. Okay. Get that off of there. Oh, it's all tight. Okay. Pour it out. You can serve it with a garnish if you want, or without. We're missing our straws, but that's okay. Serve it with a straw, and that's your drink.